Student, this is question number 7 of exercise 2.4. When you read the question, तो you will find the maximum words are of selling price and cost price. तो उसका question नहीं है. It is based on linear equation. We should read the question properly. इस question में कहा गया है Hassan buys two kinds of cloth. वो दो तरीके के cloth material रहता है for school यूनिफॉर्म. शर्ट के लिए जो मटेरियल रहता है दैट कॉस्ट हिम ₹50 पर मीटर. पर मीटर मीन्स 1 मीटर. कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 मीटर इज ₹50. एंड ट्राउजर मटेरियल दैट कॉस्ट हिम ₹90. और ट्राउजर मटेरियल उसको कितने का आ रहा है? ₹90 पर मीटर. मीन्स 1 मीटर ऑफ ट्राउजर मटेरियल इज ऑफ ₹90. When you have to make a complete uniform, then he is telling the person has to purchase 3 meters of the shirt material and he has to buy 2 meters of trouser material. Trouser का material buy करना है 2 meter और shirt के लिए 3 meter buy करना है. And he sells. अब जब sell करता है, अभी तो purchase करा, and he brought to his shop and when he is selling, तो sell करता है तो 12% का वो profit लेता है shirt के ऊपर. How we are deciding? line में कहीं भी नहीं लिखा है कि on shirt and on trouser, but whatever is taken first will represent the first item. Okay, so first they have mentioned about shirt material. इससे 12% is related with shirt material. Afterward they are talking about 10%. The 10% will be related with the trouser material. Profit respectively. This is the word respectively here means पहले का पहले. Okay, and his total sale, they have given total sale जो हसन ने की है that is of 36,600. You have to find how much trouser material did he buy. इन एवरी वर्ड प्रॉब्लम हम शॉपकीपर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आइडियल कंडीशन लेंगे. आइडियल कंडीशन मतलब शॉपकीपर जितना परचेस करके लाएगा उसका पूरा सेल हो रहा है. ऑलवेज आइडियल कंडीशन इज टेकन. तो अगर हमें बाय निकालना है तो पहले हम निकालेंगे कि हाउ मच ही इज एबल टू सेल. जितना वो सेल कर पा रहा है इट मीन्स कि उतना तो उसने परचेस किया ही है, तो इजीली वी विल गेट द मटीरियल दैट ही बाइज. दिस इज द आइडियल कंडीशन. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Okay, so we'll start solving. So here it is solution. So we'll write the first thing what they have given, cost price of, we will write here from here what they have given. They have given first shirt, so we will write shirt material. Cost price of shirt material is ₹50 per meter. Then we have to find the selling price. Selling price of shirt material is equals to, now I told you first come first thing, तो he sells the material at 12%. 12% पहले दिया है तो it will come for the shirt. So the selling price of shirt material is equals to cost price plus profit. But in this question they have not given profit, they have given profit percent. So we have to convert this profit percent into profit. So what it will become? It will become profit percent of CP. So here it will come ₹50 plus profit is 10%. So 10% sign. So I'll write here 100 into CP is again, no, 10% not, profit percent is how much? 12%. We will read the question. Here it is given he sells the material at 12% profit, so it is 12%. So 12 upon 100 into 50. So we can cancel, so it will be cancelled. It will cancel by 2 6 and it will be 5 it's 1 and 1 so here only 6 remaining. 50 plus ₹6, so it will become ₹56. This is the selling price of shirt material per meter. It is per meter means for 1 meter we are costing ₹56. Okay, but for making a uniform how much shirt you required? You required a shirt for 3 meters. Okay, so we will write here selling price of 3 meters of shirt material is equals to 3 into rupees 56. So when we will multiply, our answer will come rupees 168. Okay, so this is the selling price of 3 meters of shirt material. Now we will write trouser material. So for trouser material, again we are going to write. Everyone gone through nicely? Now I'll again start from here, the material for trouser. Now the cost price of 1 meter of trouser material. Okay, cost price of trouser material is equals to rupees 90 per meter. So we will find the selling price of trouser material. So selling price of trouser material will become how much profit he is earning? 10% profit. So normal formula will be cost price plus they have given profit in percent, so profit percent of CP. So what it will become? It will come rupees 90 plus 10% sign we will remove, so upon 100 into, then it is CP is 90, so it will become rupees sign for here, I'll put here, so I'll add, so it will become 99 rupees. So it is the trouser material rupees 99 per meter. It is per meter, but for uniform we have to purchase how much material of trouser? 2 meters. So selling price of 2 meters of trouser material is equals to rupees 99 per meter into 2 meter. So your answer will come 9 to 18, 1 carry over, 198 rupees 198. This is the selling price of trouser material. So we will write here total cost. Okay, and if you are getting confused with cost, we will write here total selling price of uniform will come equal to selling price of trouser material. Okay, trouser material plus selling price of shirt मटीरियल, दोनों को ऐड करेंगे. अब यहाँ पे 1 मीटर वाली में नहीं लेंगे हम, ट्राउजर मटेरियल 2 मीटर्स. तो 2 मीटर्स का कितना आया? रुपीज़ 198 प्लस रुपीज़ 168 जो शर्ट के लिए आई थी हमारी सेलिंग प्राइस. हम ऐड कर लेंगे तो विल गेट 6, फिर ऐड करेंगे तो वापस से 6 और फिर ऐड करेंगे तो 3. सो टोटल selling price of uniform means one uniform or one complete uniform is coming in rupees 366. Okay, now we will form the linear equation. So now let's see. Okay, now we will form the linear equation. So now we will write here, let the number of uniform sold. Okay, the how much uniform the person has sold, let the number of uniform sold be x. We are assuming the x set of uniform has been sold. Okay, so we know that the selling price of one uniform set is equals to rupees 366. Okay, now they are telling total sell total cell of uniform they are telling, it is given in the question, is equals to 3666. And if we want to form the equation, it's very simple. Number of uniform into cost of one uniform will come equal to the total cell. So we will form the equation. So here it is, number of uniform means x into selling price of one uniform कितनी है, will come equal to total cell जो shopkeeper की हुई है. तो x, this will transpose, it will go here down. So what it will come, rupees 366,000 upon rupees 366 will cancel, so we'll get 100. So x is equals to 100. Thus, yeah, here 100, here 100 uniforms are sold. 100 uniforms are sold, but they are asking how much trouser material did he buy. अब एक uniform के लिए how much trouser material is required, we will read again the question. For one uniform we need to buy 2 meters of trouser material. Therefore trouser material, okay, the trouser material for 100 uniform is equals to 2 into 100. 100 यूनिफॉर्म्स हैं, एक यूनिफॉर्म में 2 मीटर लग रहा है, तो 100 यूनिफॉर्म में कितना लगेगा, तो 2 मीटर इंटू 100, सो इट विल बिकम 200 मीटर्स. मतलब उसने 200 मीटर्स बेचा है. सो इफ पर्सन इज एबल टू सेल 200 मीटर्स मीन्स पर्सन हैज परचेज्ड ऑल्सो. तो वी विल लास्ट लाइन, thus Hassan buys 200 meter of trouser material. Clear to everyone? Read the question 2-3 times, you will understand very nicely. It is question related to practical life beta.